Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nikita Bahety and I'm thrilled to have you here. In this channel, we will dive deep into the world of SAP, especially focusing on the SAP FI Financial Accounting module. Whether you are a beginner or looking to brush up on your skills, you are in the right place. I will be breaking down complex concepts and processes in simple, easy to understand lessons to help you grasp the essentials of SAP FI. My goal is to make learning as straightforward and enjoyable as possible. So if you are ready to start your SAP FI journey, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notification so you never miss an update. Thank you for joining me and let's get started. So we will start with what is SAP. So SAP is nothing. It is an ERP software. SAP stands for System Applications and Products in Data Processing. Now just by explaining you like it stands for System Application and Products in Data Processing and just telling you it is an ERP software, definitely most of the students will not be able to understand. So first we will try to understand what is ERP. हम ये समझेंगे कि ERP होता क्या है. So what is ERP? ERP is a software. We can say ERP एक software है जो help करता है organizations को अपने resources को effectively and efficiently maintain करना या utilized करना, we can say that. अब ये resources क्या क्या है? अब आप ये देखिए कोई भी organization हो, ठीक है? एक organization में क्या जरूरी चीजें हैं? First, उस organizations को build करना और फिर definitely उस organizations के एक purpose है. They will be dealing into some kind of business. तो उस business को run करने के लिए एक तो manpower चाहिए और एक पैसे चाहिए, money चाहिए, correct? So these are the two most important things. तो money, manpower comes into picture. Apart from that, definitely जो organizations है, उनके जो भी goals है, जो भी objectives है, जो भी विजन है उसको मीट करने के लिए दे मस्ट बी इनटू सम मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोडक्शंस जिसमें भी वो डील करते हो तो उसके लिए हमें रॉ मटेरियल चाहिए तो मटेरियल इज आल्सो वन ऑफ द इम्पॉर्टेंट रिसोर्सेज एंड सिर्फ मटेरियल या स्टॉक होना इज नॉट सफिशिएंट वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू फाइनल प्रोडक्ट वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू फिनिश्ड गुड्स तो फिनिश्ड गुड्स एक रॉ मटेरियल्स से फिनिश्ड गुड्स कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हमें क्या इंपॉर्टेंट चाहिए मशीनरी चाहिए सो दिस वी कैन से मनी मैन पावर मटेरियल एंड मशीन्स का ऑप्टिमम यूटिलाइजेशन हो ये कैसे हो सकता है विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस सॉफ्टवेयर एंड व्हाट इज दिस सॉफ्टवेयर ERP. So we can say ERP is a software which helps an organization to manage their resources effectively and efficiently. It ensures the optimum and maximum utilization of resources such as manpower, money, material, machines. And apart from this, definitely there are other resources like marketing, methodology, etc. But that's a different thing. It's all depends कि आपको marketing कितना करना है, आपको strategies कितने बनाने हैं, you know, which methods you have to apply. But that's a secondary thing. एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस को स्टार्ट करने के लिए जो जरूरी होता है वो ये 4 M's है फाइन सो दिस आर द इम्पॉर्टेंट रिसोर्सेस नाउ आई विल बी प्लेइंग ए वीडियो एक सिंपल शब्दों में एक्सप्लेन करवाना चाह रही हूँ कि ERP होता क्या है organizations who are running without ERP or without such software and organization using ERP तो क्या चीज है जो उनको बेनिफिट हो सकता है so just watch this video and I'm very much sure after watching this video you will get a clarity how SAP ERP works.
Use a simple analogy involving a small bakery to explain how SAP, systems, applications, and products in data processing and ERP Enterprise resource planning, work. Bakery example. The bakery owner, Tom products, bread, cakes, cookies departments, sales, inventory, production, finance, HR. Without ERP. 1. Sales. Tom takes orders from customers, record them on paper or a simple spreadsheet. 2. Inventory. Checks stock manually, note down ingredients needed on a whiteboard. 3. Production. Bakers look at the whiteboard for ingredients. If something is missing, they tell Tom, who then orders it. 4. Finance. Tom manually adds up sales, expenses, and payroll, keeps track of profits and losses in a ledger or another spreadsheet. 5. HR. Manages employee schedules and payroll by hand. This process is time-consuming and prone to errors because each department works in isolation. With ERP, SAP, Tom has implemented an ERP system like SAP to streamline the bakery's operations. 1. Integrated system. All departments use the same software. 2. Sales. Orders are entered into the SAP system. The system automatically updates inventory levels. 3. Inventory. Inventory levels are tracked in real time. When stock is low, the system sends an alert and can automatically reorder supplies. 4. Production. Bakers see real-time inventory levels and orders. They can plan production more efficiently. 5. Finance. Sales data automatically flows into the financial module. The system calculates profits, expenses, and payroll without manual entry. 6. HR. Employee schedules, hours, and payroll are managed in the system. Payroll processing is automated. Benefits. 1. Efficiency. Departments are no longer isolated. They work together seamlessly. 2. Accuracy. Reduces human errors by automating data entry and calculations. 3. Real-time information. All data is updated in real time, providing a clear and current view of the business. 4. Better decision-making. Tom can access detailed reports and analytics, helping her make informed decisions. Simplified summary. Without ERP, each department works separately, leading to inefficiencies and errors. With ERP, SAP, all departments are integrated into one system, improving efficiency, accuracy, and decision-making.
So I believe that कि video के बाद you have a very clear picture कि without ERP everything were maintained very manually. Tom used to run the bakery, everything was maintained manually. So there are high chances and probability of human error. Whereas with ERP, all the system, whether it related to sales, whether it related to productions, whether it related to HR, whether it related to finance, everything comes into one platform. So or every you can see just you have to enter the input and you get the output. So this much इस angles तक ERP एक system को benefit करता है. Correct? Now there are various leading ERPs in the market. We will be learning about SAP. So let's be focused on SAP. बाकी और भी चीजें हैं like there are Oracle Financial, Jet Edwards, Bone, PeopleSoft, Epicor, and there are one of the many one of the very common ERP which we have known by the name of Tally. ये तो हमने काफी like बहुत सभी लोगों ने almost सुना होगा, correct? तो Tally is also one kind of ERP, whereas QuickBook is another kind of ERP, and there are various other ERPs. But the most important and the largest, you can say, ERP across the world is SAP, and it is like same like their in entire country or entire world. जो ये SAP का जो platform है, it's same, the screens are same. हाँ, ये चीज हो सकता है कि हर ERP में जो चेंजेस होते हैं, जो SAP में हमें जो क्लाइंट के रिक्वेस्ट के अकॉर्डिंग हमें जो कॉन्फ़िगरेशन हमें करना होता है, वो चीज़ अलग हो सकता है. वो चीज़ डेफिनेटली डिपेंड्स ऑन द country specific requirements, yeah, depends on the client's requirement, customizations will be done. But when it comes to the platform, when it comes to the user interface, so there is nothing like it's different in look. I hope you are getting me right कि जो प्लेटफॉर्म है, जो फेज है, जो चेहरा है, वो सेम रहेगा. हाँ, ये चीज है कि क्लाइंट्स के डिमांड के अकॉर्डिंग्स वी मेक द नेसेसरी चेंजेस. कुछ कुछ चीजें कंट्री स्पेसिफिक हमारे सेटिंग्स होते हैं, मेनली जो डेप्रिसिएशन या टैक्स से रिलेटेड कुछ डिफरेंस होते हैं, सो वो चेंजेस किया जाता है as per the requirement. So the leading ERP are all this different kinds, but the most important is what we know is, or what is prevalent is SAP. So this is about the leading ERPs in the market. सो SAP क्या है? SAP के भी डिफरेंट मॉड्यूल्स होते हैं. द SAP मॉड्यूल इज डिवाइडेड इनटू टू पार्ट्स, विच इज फंक्शनल मॉड्यूल एंड टेक्निकल मॉड्यूल. द फंक्शनल मॉड्यूल्स में ये सब चीजें आते हैं, लाइक फाइनेंस एंड कंट्रोलिंग, मटेरियल एंड मैनेजमेंट, सेल्स एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, ह्यूमन रिसोर्स, प्रोडक्शन एंड प्लानिंग. वेयर टेक्निकल मॉड्यूल्स विच इज मोर एक टेक्निकल काइंड ऑफ रिक्वायरमेंट. सो इसमें हमारा अबाप आ जाता है एंड बेसिस आ जाता है. अबाप मीन्स एडवांस्ड बिजनेस एप्लीकेशंस प्रोग्रामिंग, करेक्ट. एंड इवन ये जो फीको हो गया, FI हो गया, CO हो गया, MM हो गया, SD हो गया, सी दिस ऑल आर ऑल टुगेदर ए डिफरेंट मॉड्यूल, बट हर कोई एक दूसरे से इंटीग्रेटेड है. FI में भी MM का इन्वॉल्वमेंट होता है, FI में SD का भी इन्वॉल्वमेंट होता है, FI में HR का भी इन्वॉल्वमेंट होता है, FI का PP में भी इन्वॉल्वमेंट होता है. एंड कुछ हमें कॉन्फ़िगरेशंस इन सब चीज़ों में रिक्वायर्ड होता है टू मेक दैट पर्टिकुलर सिस्टम रन इन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू ऑफ FI मॉड्यूल. गॉट इट? तो हर चीज़ एक दूसरे से इंटीग्रेटेड है. So this was the introduction of SAP. I have mentioned like I try to explain everything कि SAP क्या होता है. It's a kind of ERP. ERP क्या होता है, ERP होना और नहीं होने में क्या डिफरेंस है, किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस को क्या फर्क पड़ सकता है, which I have mentioned, like manually होना और एक systematically online होना में definitely we can understand the difference, correct. And there are various different types of ERPs in the market. SAP is one of its kind, which is one of the world's largest inter-enterprise software, and there are different modules of SAP. There is functional module and technical module and the difference of it. So this is all about today's classes. Thank you.